Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common struggle that many students face: solving programming assignment challenges. Programming assignments can be both exciting and challenging. But fear not. By understanding and addressing the common challenges, you can boost your confidence and excel in your programming assignments. Challenge number 1: understanding the assignment requirements. Sometimes, the assignment specifications can be overwhelming or unclear. The key is to break them down into smaller tasks. Read the requirements carefully, identify the core objectives, and create a plan or checklist to guide your progress. Challenge number 2: getting started. Starting a programming assignment can be daunting, especially when faced with a blank canvas. Begin by understanding the problem domain, conducting research if needed, and designing a high-level solution. Break the problem into smaller parts and tackle them one at a time. Challenge number 3: debugging and troubleshooting. Bugs are an inevitable part of programming. When encountering errors, adopt a systematic approach. Use debugging tools, print statements, or step through your code to identify the root cause. Make sure to test and validate your code as you progress. Challenge number 4: time management. Balancing multiple assignments and deadlines can be overwhelming. To manage your time effectively, create a schedule, prioritize tasks, and allocate dedicated time slots for each assignment. Break the assignment into manageable chunks and work on them consistently. Challenge number 5: managing complexity. Break down the problem into smaller functions or modules. Use clear naming conventions, comments, and meaningful abstractions to make your code more readable and manageable. One of the standout features of MyAssignmentHelp.com is their commitment to delivering high-quality solutions. The programming experts at MyAssignmentHelp.com ensure that the assignments they provide are accurate, well-documented, and meet all the requirements specified by your instructors. So, the next time you find yourself struggling with a programming assignment, don't hesitate to reach out to MyAssignmentHelp's Programming Assignment Help service. They are there to support you, provide expert guidance, and help you excel in your programming journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tips.